This is the Galaxy Tab A9 and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with the Ampere app on this device. So first we should get the Ampere application from the Play Store. That's why on the search we'll enter the Ampere. And now we should get this application. That's why tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. Then just tap to open the app, click to yes I agree, pick close and tap to OK. So after that you'll see here information about your battery temperature, and in my case that's 22.5 degrees. So also you could find here more information like the battery capacity, voltage, Android version and more other info. That's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video leave thumbs up and subscribe.